Does it taste good? Huh? Come on, swallow that. Oh, he's swallowing it.
Oh.
You don't like it? Is it too thick? Huh? Let's try the apple sauce.
I want formula, Mama.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on. He's like, what is that? What is that, Mommy? You don't like it? That's apple. That's apple. Look at him. He's slobbering. Come on. Come on. You like it. I know. Come on, but you have to swallow it.
Good job, big boy.
You have to swallow it. Come on, sit up straight. Sit up straight. There you go. Sit up straight. You want some more? Oh, his mouth. Yummy. Oh. He's like, this is the best part.
Mm.
I've never had this before. This is weird.
Oh.
It's like, this is weird. He's swallowing it, right?
Looks like it.
Little by little, you know. This is when they start, you know, like being dirty. You're gonna be dirty?
Yeah, and then later he'll throw it up on me.
No, because it's heavier.
And then...
Oh, no, don't put it in your mouth because there's a hair.
What is it, apples? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's gonna look nice in the diaper. Mm.
It's good on him.
Hey, boy.
You like it, I know.
Cut.